Hi everybody, this is our daily agenda for Wednesday, May 26th. So for today, we are continuing on with our poetry portfolio. Just as a reminder, today is odds, and we will no longer be accepting late work past May 30th at 11:59 p.m. Ladies and gentlemen, we are closing up shop. We are coming into the end of the school year, so we will not be accepting that late work. So make sure you send in any missing or late work that you do have. Alright, so for today we are going to deep dive into poetry again. You guys are writing your poems, you're continuing to write on them and work on them. So for your poetry portfolio, rubric, and your examples, I want you guys to be able to see how am I grading you and what type of examples will get full points or minimal points. We've been through this before. I will briefly show you on our website what it looks like. So poetry, rubric, and examples. So you guys will be able to see here what my rubric is, so how well you completed the assignment, your use of poetry devices, style and creativity, the poem format, and then your personal use of technology, how you are using technology. These are all the categories. As you can see, it's 5 categories by 5, 25 points. Well, 24 because I don't have that last category, but I'm going to double it, ladies and gentlemen, to make sure that you guys have the 50 points for this assignment, all right? And if you want to see an example of a completed project that would earn full points, look no further. So this portfolio would earn full points. They have their sonnet all done. They have their haiku. They have a free verse poem that's using all of the poetry techniques that they need to. Then they have a slam poem as well. And I have an audio for my slam poem. You have to make sure you have that media. Minimal to no points is the sonnet is not complete. It does not have all 14 verses, does not really sign, not enough syllables. Haiku, too many syllables. Free verse, not enough. While they try and make a stanza, they don't have the poetry devices. It's not long enough. You need at least 3 verses. I don't want to put too much constraint on you guys, but I want to have a little bit more than what a haiku would be. And a slam poem, it's not more than 1 stanza. You need 1 to 2 stanzas, ladies and gentlemen. And you guys just know slam poems require more emotion. So you can see here what would get full points and what really wouldn't. All right? So that's just our poetry portfolio and rubric, what we'll be looking at and what my expectations are. Then, of course, I have this up just so you guys can see it if you need to. Sonnets, haiku, and then free verse. So what you guys have to have. And I'm going to make sure that there's actually also not just 1 full stanza, but it says more than 3 verses. You need not more than those 3 lines. You're required to have an extended metaphor and a hyperbole. So whatever comparison you want to make of what you're passionate about, make sure that's going on in multiple lines. Then a hyperbole, which is an exaggeration. You can write about anything, ladies and gentlemen, for your free verse. You have that freedom now. Okay, once you finish creating your free verse poem, go back. If you haven't finished your sonnet, finish your sonnet. Use the template if you need to. Finish creating your haikus. Those haikus and your free verse will be written in your poetry portfolios. All right, ladies and gentlemen, you've got this. If you have any questions, please reach out to me, reach out to Ms. Arroyo, reach out to Ms. Reyes, and we will help you guys out. Other than that, I will see you guys in class today.